Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, well, this is like part 3 of all the videos. Hopefully you guys saw part 1, 2, and now you're watching part 3. This video I showed you guys basically me styling the hair, straightening it, and whatever. At first I was wearing it as a side part, but I think I like it better as a middle part. And y'all, the look I was going for, I got. And thanks so much to Yiroo, because I was going for a natural look. And this is 14 inches. And I know for my natural hair, before I even did the big chop, this was like my natural hair was 14 inches. So this reminds me so much of my natural hair, y'all. And I am in love with it. I honestly think I'm going to go in and do a second bleaching, because I wanted everything to be this color. But you can see that it's like more green towards the end instead of all blue. Or I might leave it. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. But I can say shout out to Yiroo. Like, Yiroo is the way to go right now at this point, because you guys saw me bleach this hair and do all that good and do all that bad stuff to the hair, and you guys see how it's still moving, y'all. Like, this hair is bouncy. It looks so natural. My camera's about to turn off because I just ran out of memory. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so yeah, like I was saying, this hair is the bomb. Like, it still feels so soft. I wish you guys can feel it. It still feels so soft. You can see it's soft, y'all, and it's moving. It's bouncy. It looks 100% natural. I'm jacking it. OD, y'all. I'm really jacking this hair. And yeah, shout out to Yiroo. Shout out to Yiroo hair. The hair in this link would be in all the videos, part 1, part 2, and 3. And I hope you guys watched part 1, part 2, and part 3. And without further ado, I think that is it. Shedding, it wasn't really a lot of shedding when it came to this hair. Yeah, and you can see the ends were clipped good, y'all. Look, my ends are clipped good. It was, and this is how the hair came. Like, I didn't clip them at all. They was clipped good. And yeah, I think I touched the basics of the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Our future years, right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Ooh. Telling you broke is no joke. Ooh. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling out the shows.